Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to online classes of Iqra First Boys Secondary Schools and Colleges, a project of Iqra Education System. My dear brothers, in the last video lecture yesterday we discussed about summary and explanation of the poem Little Things. Today in this video lecture we will discuss about the contextual exercises given in the end of this chapter. Starting from exercise D, grammatical structure. A phrase is given before you, made of. It is used to tell the material used in something. Made of can be used in different ways. For example, what are your shoes made of? They are made of leather. Let's do the exercise given with this structure. Exercise says complete the following sentences by using words from the brackets. The words are bricks, steel, foam rubber. Sentence number 1. That house is made of dash. Sentence number 2. This cushion is made of dash. Sentence number 3. These machines are made of dash. Now you can see the exercise is solved in front of you on the screen. That house is made of bricks. This cushion is made of foam rubber, and these machines are made of steel. And this is the exercise which I have randomly solved, and I hope and believe that you people could also solve it yourselves. Let's move on to exercise E. Exercise E consists of idioms. Idiom number 1, to make the most of, which means to take the full advantage of the circumstances. The examples are: youth is the best time of one's life, so make the most of it. There are some additional examples I have given here on the screen. I am making the most of online classes. B. We should make the most of lockdown and watch video lectures regularly. Exercise C. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us uncountable blessings. We must make the most of them. Let's do the exercise in the book. In this exercise, you have to substitute the idiom from the supportive word. He let me use his bicycle for a month, so I am going to take the fullest advantage of it. What do you think are the substitute words which can be replaced with the idiom to make the most of? Yes, very right. Take the fullest advantage of. So the sentence will become, he let me use his bicycle for a month, so I am going to make the most of it. You people have to write this exercise as it is in your registers, in the pros section, after the title page and words meaning of this chapter. You will draw 2 lines, one on the right hand side and one on the left hand side, each line consisting of a ½ inch. And then you will write down the heading of idioms, and you will start from idiom number 1, to make the most of, and then you will write the meaning of it under the brackets, to take the fullest advantage of the circumstances, and then you will write one example given here and the remaining additional examples I have given you in this video. And then you will give the heading of exercise, and you will use this sentence there: he let me use his bicycle for a month, so I am going to take the fullest advantage of it. And then you will write the correct sentence: he let me use his bicycle for a month, so I am going to make the most of it. And then you will add these sentences given in this video lecture in your register. Number 1, farmers try to take the full advantage of natural fertilizers and maintain soil fertility by emphasizing crop rotation. So you can see I have given you the supportive words in italics, you have to replace these words with the original idiom. For instance, farmers try to make the most of natural fertilizers and maintain soil fertility by emphasizing crop rotation. You will change these supportive words with the original idiom in the remaining two sentences too. Sentence number 2, I am taking the full advantage of online video lectures and doing my assignments time by time. Number 3, he does not know how to take the full advantage of available opportunities. Idiom number 2, to make both ends meet. It means to be able to live within one's income. Example is given, due to inflation, salaried people can't make both ends meet. Now look at some additional examples. A, he picked up the second job to make both ends meet. B, if you cannot make both ends meet, you will find it difficult to pay for the things you need in life. Example number C, he has trouble making both ends meet because he has very low income. Let's take a look at the sentence in the exercise. I had to take up a part-time job to be able to meet all my expenses. You have to substitute these supportive words with the original idiom. So it will become, I had to take up a part-time job to make both ends meet. Now let's look at some additional sentences in exercise. Sentence number 1, after he was retired, he had trouble being able to live within his income. So you will replace these supportive words, being able to live within his income, with the original idiom to make both ends meet. For example, after he was retired, he had trouble making both ends meet. Sentence number 2, after I lost my job, I am finding it harder to be able to live within my income. Sentence number 3, they have to work at 2 jobs to be able to live within their income. You will write these all sentences given in the book and in this video lecture in your register as being instructed to you. Now idiom number 3, to make one's mouth water. It means to cause someone to desire something intensely, especially food. Example is given, the sight of the food was enough to make his mouth water. Let's take a look at some additional exemplary sentences. Example number A, the smell of biryani makes my mouth water. Example number B, the beautiful salad made his mouth water. Example number C, talking about food makes my mouth water. Let's go through the sentence in exercise. As soon as we got the smell of food, we felt a strong desire to eat. You have to substitute the supportive words with the original idiom. For instance, as soon as we got the smell of food, it made our mouth water. Let's take a look at some additional sentences in the exercise. Sentence number 1, the thought of beef burger caused him to desire for it intensely. You can see the words in italics should be replaced with the original idiom. So the sentence would become, the thought of beef burger made my mouth water. Sentence number 2, it caused her to desire for it intensely, though she had seen how it was made. Number 3, Shaheen Shanwari's wide variety of cuisines causes everyone to desire. So my brothers, you people have to do these exercises, exercise D and exercise E, along with the examples and sentences in exercise given in the book and in this video lecture in your register. We will inshallah meet again in the next video lecture with something more to study. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.